Amazing. Mr. Peace was amazing. Our students were engaged. The way he opened up held their attention. And I have 6-year-olds, 6 and 7-year-olds, for 45 minutes, covered all types of diversity. And I thought the pictures, I thought the videos, the message was such an impact, and especially in our world today where we see such violence and just people hurting other people. Our children need this type of message, and it needs to be ingrained in all of our schools. In our classrooms, they're going to learn to read. They're going to learn to write. What they also need to learn is kindness. And what is kindness, and what is approaching another student who looks different or acts different? What does that look like at a 6-year-old level, at a 10-year-old level? That's what we need to be teaching, as well as all of our standards. So it was amazing. Highly recommend Mr. Peace to anyone and everyone. This message was clear, it was engaging, and it was something that our world needs today. So thank you, Mr. Peace. Loved it. Teachers, I promise you're going to be in tears about 5 different times during the presentation. Some of our students were. And he's fabulous. So thank you.